Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a EA app not launching on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to right click on the EA app and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and check for run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. And now press Windows key and R key together and type here percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Find EA desktop and select electronic arts. Just select both folder and right click and select delete option. After getting this done, just to close stuff here and third step, you just need to press Windows key and R key together. Type sysdm dot cpl. Click on OK. Go to advanced tab. Select environment variables. If you see game data listed over here in user variables, as you can see in my case besiege game is listed. Just if in our case the game is listed, then you just need to select and select delete option. Besiege, select delete option, and now click on OK and just close stuff here. Fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select a clock and region. Select region. Select administrative tab. Select change system locally, and you just need to check mark this beta and you click on OK and select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.